Tons metric of climate warming gases are being produced in seconds. 99% of climate change is caused by carbon dioxide. The 1% remaining is caused by methane. Methane comes from energy production, waste management, and agriculture. Because of its molecular structure, methane can cause more warming than other carbon dioxide. Because methane absorbs more energy per unit mass than CO2. However, CO2 can linger longer into the atmosphere after it has been emitted. That is why the key to protect ourselves in future generations is to hit the brakes and stop using both carbon dioxide and methane. Those measures have to be implemented fast forward and not in the different future, because climate change has already caused so many damages. Like, for example, in Europe and Asia, there are floods we are fighting with. In Australia and America, forests are being burned to the ground. And all those facts are because of the climate change. Unlike carbon dioxide, methane is not coming from the gradual build-up over time, but from recent emissions. Methane is released into the atmosphere when extracting oil, gas, and coal. Considering these leaks, it would only offset any near-term climate benefit of using gas instead of coal. To provide some context, it would be more beneficial for us to sell the saved gas, because that way we could cut the majority of these emissions, where we already have the technologies that allow us to do that. Also, by feeding farm animals with higher quality feed, they would stop producing methane. Animals produce methane while digesting plants and grass. Furthermore, another aspect that we should keep in mind is that one of the main sources of methane production is producing rice, because the plant is growing in flooded fields that create the best conditions for microbes to form methane. It is not expensive, and it is also not rocket science. But the government is lacking information, and that is why they are not doing any changes at the moment. This is why we should all start reducing our methane and carbon dioxide that we are using right now. Thank you very much for your attention.